Now to that pivotal special election in Virginia, which could have major implications for the midterm elections. In a fairly close vote, Virginians voted yes on Tuesday to redraw the state's congressional districts. The 51 to 49% vote now paves the way for Democrats to pick up as many as 4 new seats in the House. And while the votes may be counted, Republicans say this fight is far from over. Their attention turns now to the courts and a crucial case being heard by the Virginia Supreme Court in just days. And late this afternoon, a judge in Southwest Virginia has weighed in with a separate ruling saying the referendum was unconstitutional. Northern Virginia Bureau Chief Julie Carey takes a look at why Republicans are hopeful that these new maps will be struck down.
The headline today is the legal fight is now on.
That's the assessment from former Virginia Attorney General Ken Cuccinelli as he and other Republicans shift attention to court challenges that still threaten the future of the congressional redistricting map just approved by voters. The new map could net Democrats up to 4 seats as they push for control of the narrowly divided House. There are 4 cases before the courts, 2 in the Virginia Supreme Court, 1 in Richmond Circuit Court, and 1 in Tazewell County. In 3 of the cases, attorneys for Republican plaintiffs argue Democrats violated state law or the Constitution in the way they rushed the special election to the voters. The Supreme Court will hear oral arguments on Monday in 1 of the cases, but Congressman James Walkinshaw, who celebrated with Democrats last night, questions whether the court would upend the election results.
It would be shocking. I think it would be outrageous for the court at this juncture to overrule the voters.
But Cuccinelli says when the court put a pause on the challenge and ruled the referendum could move forward, it also had a warning.
The court made it very clear. They actually said, and this was very unusual, that we have significant concerns when they held the case in abeyance. To make any comment like that at all is very unusual.
Attorney General Jay Jones says his office is prepared to defend the special election process and the maps.
I am so proud of my team for stepping in and working tirelessly to make sure that this continues to move forward. And so we will take everything as it comes and continue to work diligently on behalf of the people of Virginia.
The GOP's leader in the Virginia House disappointed with the special election loss, but predicting a different outcome in the end when all the court challenges are decided.
We still lost, but we're going to win ultimately in the courts.
The Virginia Supreme Court is expected to make a quicker than usual decision after hearing the arguments. That's because the clock is ticking for congressional candidates to gather signatures to get on the primary ballot. In Fairfax County, I'm Julie Carey, News 4.
In today's Tazewell County ruling, the judge said the legislation that set up the special election violated a host of laws. He ordered the special election results not to be certified and that congressional districts not be altered. Virginia's Attorney General says he will immediately appeal the ruling.